Allow us to introduce you to the student housing available at 1709 Kelton Avenue in Los Angeles. This student residence offers a range of shared and single rooms within shared apartments, catering to everyone's needs. The rooms are well lit with ample natural light from large windows, and the spacious beds ensure a comfortable night's sleep after a busy day. Use the study table and free high-speed Wi-Fi to complete your assignments efficiently. The kitchen has essential appliances such as a gas stove, microwave, oven, and fridge. The common area provides a cozy space for relaxing on the sofa or enjoying meals with friends at the dining table. Additionally, one of the highlights of this accommodation is its amazing location, as ELS language centers, Santa Monica, University of California, and Antioch University are situated nearby. After a long day of classes, you could grab some pasta from La Bruschetta or head to Rocco's Tavern for drinks with friends. During weekends, explore destinations like the Venice Canals or Coldwater Canyon Park, easily accessible by bus. Experience a lifestyle like the movies by booking your stay at 1709 Kelton Avenue through amberstudent.com.